Class 9 students. I know not 9 but yes, class 10 students. A very congratulations to all of you, and yes, all the best for your Madhyamik exams. You all are going to appear for your next Madhyamik exams. Okay. And one more thing, today we are going to discuss about the syllabus, okay, of the Madhyamik, so that it is clear. The first class I would like to discuss with you all with the syllabus of the Madhyamik. And yes, the unit 1, it is the name of the chapter is control and coordination in living organisms. So what all part is covered in it? For the first part, it is sensitivity and response in the plant, okay. Next is response and chemical coordination in plants hormone. Then we are going to study about the animal hormone, and then we are going to see the center, how our body is controlled by the central nervous system. And lastly, we are going to deal in the unit 1 the locomotion as a type of response in animals. Okay class. Next, what we are going to see, we are going to start with the unit 2. I am discussing about the class 10 syllabus. And yes, remember it class, you have whole book for your Madhyamik. So in unit 2 you have cell division and cell cycle, reproduction. This is a very important chapter of Madhyamik. Maximum questions comes from here. And yes class, always keep in mind that these are all the concept based. Here your concept should be clear that how cell division takes place. Okay. Next, it is said that sexual reproduction in flowering plants, growth and development. Unit 3 deals with heredity and common genetic diseases. Heredity and some common genetic diseases. These are the two things which are very important again for the Madhyamik. In this chapter, basically the sums of genetic disease, dealing with the genetic disease it comes, and you all should go through this chapter very thoroughly. And always keep in mind there is a link. If you understand unit 2 properly class, then simultaneously you will be able to understand unit 3 also. So there is a connection between these two chapters. So if you study this chapter, on the other hand you will understand this chapter also. Since you are not in my class, so I thought of making this video so that it will be clear to you that which all are part of very important for your Madhyamik. Next, it deals with unit 4. Unit 4 is evolution and adaptation. Evolution and adaptation. Okay, the first part we are going to see what is evolution, how does the horse evolved. Okay, so these are all very important part. Next is the adaptation. What are the adaptive features shown by the plant as well as the animals. Okay. Next, you have the unit 5. Class, I would like to mention this unit 5. Okay, it is very important. On the other hand, it is very easy also. So maximum of questions. This is a very favorite chapter of the Madhyamik. Plus you will not get any direct questions like what is pollution, what are the causes of pollution. You will not get like this question. You will get an indirect questions, but the answers will be very easy if you understand this chapter properly. So it is said here nitrogen cycle, environmental pollution. Okay. Next you have what? You have environmental and human population. Okay. Next, the biodiversity and conservation. So for the first term, for the first term exams, you all have evolution and adaptation first time. Okay. You have evolution and adaptation, that is unit 4 and unit 1. Okay. Again I am saying unit 1 and unit 4 is for your first term syllabus. Since we have shorter period of time, okay, so we'll try to cover maximum of chapters for your first term, which will be remaining. Suppose if some chapters are remaining, then it will be added on for the second term. Okay, for the second term, keep in mind class, the whole first term and the second term will be coming. It is not that no first term and second term will be coming. For the whole first term and second term will be coming. Okay class, hope so you all have understood. We'll start with the new topic. Okay, we'll start with the evolution and adaptation first. So thank you class, hope so you have understood what are all the topics of the Madhyamik.